Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to install Google Sheet in Windows 10 laptop. So let's start. So here I have opened Google Chrome, and in Google Chrome just go to the right hand side and you can see the Google Apps icon showing. Just click on it and here just click on the Google Sheet and your Google Sheet will open. Okay, so after that, just go to the right hand side and click on this three dot, customize and control Google Chrome. Just drag below and click on the cast, save and share option. Okay, you can see the cast, save and share. Then click on the install page apps. Just click on it and here you can see one dialog box is pop up. Install this page as an app. Yes. So you can edit this name also. So I just enter here Google Sheet. Okay, then click on the install and that's it. Your Google Sheet is installed. With this, would you like to pin the Google Sheet to your taskbar? So I just click on the yes and I just close this and go to the desktop and here you see the Google Sheet is installed. With this in taskbar also it's pin it. Okay. Simply double click on it and you can use here the Google Sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.